The Pediatric Celiac Center at Advocate Children's Hospital, Park Ridge, is a program that's set up to support families and children with celiac disease. Sometimes kids haven't grown in inches, they're underweight, they've had a lot of stomach upset.
Celiac disease is an autoimmune disease and is important not only to diagnose early, is to implement the diet that is so far the only treatment that we know early as possible, because that will ensure that the growth, the symptoms will get much better for that child. The Pediatric Celiac Center is helping these families to navigate through those labels, those restaurant menus, family gatherings. How do I cook without weed? We do a great job clinical care. You know, we see the patients, we diagnose appropriately, we have the facilities and the resources to do that perfectly, and then we have the team. So we will embark with them in the journey to navigate through this gluten-free diet. It's not only work, we do have a lot of fun as well.
The biggest event we have is the Halloween party, which we have usually the Saturday before Halloween, where it's basically just a party where all the kids come dressed up in their costumes, and it's a really fun event. The kids can sort of trick or treat, and all the candy and everything is gluten-free.
We have cooking classes for different ages.
So what did you make today? So I made a green bean almondine, a gluten-free stuffing, and also the traditional green bean casserole.
We're also going to be having a free blood screening in the spring. They can get their blood tested as a first-level screening for celiac disease. This is something that is offered free of charge. They don't have to have a doctor's order, because celiac disease is a genetic disease, so really all the family members should be tested for celiac as well.
So we have different events, throughout the year in order to make those kids more comfortable, what to cook when they go to college, and there is not such a deprived life.
My daughter Gianna gets to interact with other children that actually have celiac disease, as we don't know anybody, and so she gets to meet other children, and I get to talk to parents, and they have ideas and products to use and websites, and it's just really nice for everyday, like day-to-day life.
It's important for the kids to have support and to feel included. So they come here and they have other kids who have similar issues, and they see that they can have just as much fun as kids who don't have a food issue or allergy.